Hi, my name is Christian from Modern Music School in Pasadena, and today we are learning the song Wake Me Up by Avicii. The chords you need to learn for this song are A minor, F, C, G, and E. Here's what the intro sounds like. This is also the same progression as the chorus. Now for the verse, we will only play the chords A minor, F, and C. This song also has a very important instrumental section. We can reinforce this section by doubling the melody on the guitar, which goes like this. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. If you have any questions, ask your instructor or leave us a comment below.